Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this BLACKVIEW smartphone. Firstly, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow in all of them. After that, click on Home button, choose iOS Launcher, tap on Always, click on Got it, and finally Apple Layout was applied successfully on my BLACKVIEW. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, then Default Apps, and Home app. Now to apply your default launcher, click on Launcher over here. If you wish to go back to iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!